Withdrawing money from Instagram after your account has been reviewed is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you successfully complete the withdrawal. Step 1. Access your account settings. Log into your Instagram account and navigate to your profile. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu, then select Settings. Step 2. Go to Payments. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Payments. This section contains all of the financial settings related to your account, including withdrawal options. Step 3. Link your bank account. If you haven't already, link your bank account or payment method. Select Add Payment Method and follow the prompts to enter your bank details or connect the payment service. Step 4. Check your earnings. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ace.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Initiate the withdrawal. Once you have verified your earnings, select the option to withdraw funds. Follow the prompts to complete the withdrawal process, ensuring you confirm any necessary details. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your linked bank account. Make sure to keep an eye on your account for updates regarding the transaction.